Hi guys, let's understand how to install Kali Linux in our virtual machine. Okay, I'll download OVF file and I'll install it in a VMware and we'll use that for our cyber security classes. Okay, it's one of the most important operating system where you run all the type of tools and all. Right? Without Kali Linux, it's very important. I mean, it's difficult to, operate any kind of attacks or anything on the cyber security part. So let me take you to my desktop screen and show you how to install it. Thank you. So guys, this is our website from where you need to download Kali Linux. Make sure you are at kali.org. Okay. So when you come to this website, you will see we have an installer image and we have virtual machine image. Okay. So virtual machine is which you can directly import it on a VMware. So in today's class, I'll show you how to import this virtual machine and how to start, how to log in, all those stuff. So let me go to virtual machine. It depends on your speed of internet. Okay. So once you get that page, uh, you guys can do it in this way also. I go to Google and say download Kali Linux, and you see you're getting these links, right? So any one of these links you guys can open directly. So this is the tested one from where you actually get downloaded. The space is not opening, taking time, reopening the page. Yeah, this is how you should get it. Now here you have an option of download VMware. So click on this download option, right? 3.5 GB file it is. Let me click on download. So once it gets downloaded, after that we'll extract it. Okay. After that we'll extract it and we'll import it inside our VMware. So meanwhile, I'll pause the video guys till it gets downloaded. We can see now it is about to complete. So once downloading is completed, we'll extract our file, import it to our VMware. Let it complete. About to complete now. Okay, done. So this is our file, guys. I downloaded it through Internet Download Manager. So inside this, I can go and see the folder. So this is the one which I downloaded. Wait, not this one, I believe. You see Kali Linux, right? Open folder. So here I can see it is Kali Linux, this one. So let me just take it to our desktop. See, from wherever you want to install, right? I recommend you guys to put this file in that particular location. Let's say I want to put it in a D drive or separate drive. Hmm. So wherever you have any space, right, just go and put it there itself. Okay. Now you need to extract it. Say extract. So once it gets extracted, you can see this file will be, you know, it will show you all these files, and here inside this file, all Linux files will be, downloaded. So please wait till this gets extracted fully. It takes few seconds, guys. You can see here it takes around 1 minute, you can say. So these are the complete files. Inside this file, we should have a VMDK file. Here, if you see, these all are the VMDK files, right? But which one is the installer one, you might not be knowing, right? I mean, which you should import into a VMware. So do one thing, open a VMware application. Here you can see these all are VMDK files. Okay. Now this extracting is also about to complete. Now you might not be sure which VMDK file you should click to import. So do one thing, go to VMware, uh, go to home page and say open virtual machine, and I'll go to E drive where I have Kali Linux. Right, open this folder, and you'll see here automatically this file has been filtered here, VMDK file. Now you can see this has been imported here. So click on power on, and default resources are already taken here. So if you go to settings, here you'll see 4 GB, 4 processors and 2 GB RAM by default taken 80 GB hard drive, and it's in a NAT mode, right? So we don't have to do anything over here, right? Now let this operating system open. Default username and password will be Kali. So here we'll use username Kali and password also as a Kali. This does not give you a root access. If you need a root access, you need to get back through operating system. So I log in here with the username Kali and give the password again Kali. And through DHCP, it will automatically receive an IP address. Okay. So now here I can see we are ready to operate our Kali Linux. So here, if you go to terminal, right? This is cell, not a terminal. Yeah. If you go to a terminal, then if you want to check the IP, give a command if config, and here you can see it has received an IP 192.168.3.133 by default from the DHCP. You can see here you're in a dollar sign, right? So it means you're not in a root access. If you want to ping anything, you have to use a sudo command, sudo ping, to add a privilege. Okay, 8.8.8. Now you have to give a password. It was Kali, and say I'm able to reach internet, right? So this is how, without installing your ISO image file directly, you can import VMware files and you can use it directly with less effort. So in further classes, I'll show you guys how to use or how to update Kali Linux. Okay. See you guys in the next class. Thank you.